Hey, what is up guys, Daily Science here. In this video I'm back with another cool science experiment. So for this science experiment you will need 4 different colors of food coloring, salt or sugar, 4 separate bowls for mixing, some kind of transparent container, and hot water. To start off, you're gonna have to go ahead and put salt in each one of these containers. So start off by putting no salt in the first one, half a teaspoon in the second one, a full teaspoon in the third one, and 1.5 teaspoons in the last one. So now you're gonna have to go ahead and pour equal amounts of hot water into each one of these bowls, and try doing your best to keep it as equal as possible because this is very important for this experiment. Now mix everything up. Now just go ahead and add a few drops of different food coloring to each one of these bowls. So now to transfer the water into the container, I'm going to go ahead and use a straw, but if you guys have a syringe you can use that as well, which will make it much easier. But if you don't, just go ahead and use a straw, put your thumb above the straw to hold on to the water and just let go of your thumb, and then the water should fall into your container, and just repeat this process until you get the desired amount of water inside the container. So now comes the hard part where you have to add the second layer of water on top. So now when you do this, just be very careful and do it as slowly and carefully as you can, because you don't want to do it too fast, otherwise the two water will just mix and look ugly. And yeah, this took me at least 30 minutes to do, so just take your time and do this each time for each layer and you should end up with something pretty cool. So if you took your time and you were patient enough, or you just were extremely skilled, you will end up with something like this, where the most dense water, which is red, will be at the bottom, and the least dense water, which is yellow, will be at the top, and you can see each layer separately. And as you guys can see, this was my first attempt, so it wasn't really that good. So yeah, just take your time and you should end up with something this cool. So if you're not satisfied with the amount of water in a certain layer, just go ahead and take that water, lower your straw down to that level and just let go, and it should fill up, and keep doing that until you're satisfied with the amount of water you have. And when you do this, be very careful as you don't want the different layers to mix. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some water from this container using the straw just to see how cool it looks. And as you guys can see, as I let go, the water transitions from blue to green to yellow, and it actually looks pretty cool. So that's about it for the science experiment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below if you wish to do so. And on your way out, don't forget to click the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.